eleksyon sa iba't ibang barangay sa buong Pilipinas.
Kaya dapat maging maingat sa pagpili ng mga karapat-dapat ng kandidato.
Kami naman dito, patuloy na naghahanap ng karapat-dapat manalo.
Dahil more than 100,000 pesos ang handa naming ipamigay dito sa
Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko. Ayan.
Morning, Luluboy!
Morning,
Morning, buddy!
Day.
Eto, pasok na ang mga Pinoy at Pinay entertainers.
Come on, guys! Dito tayo. Magandang energy ng umagang ito.
Ibang
Kaya naman
klase.
ito, first team, si Rodrigo Edsel Dana team. Body Mix!
Body mix! Body mix! Body mix! Ba? Parang nabitin ako dun sa sayo na yun.
Hoo-ha!
Hoo-ha!
Next team.
Okay, Team 2, Carlos, Jeneline, and Ira. They are Team Versa.
Come on, Versa teams. Go on, yeah. Come on, Versa team, go, go, go.
Okay. Punta na tayo dito. Next team. Eto na, sina Orlando, Amadora, Chila, Team Chaos.
Makinig nyo ba kung sino ang tinawag? Inyong palakpakan, we are the chaos. Chaos is the best among the rest. We will win this no matter what happens. We are chaos.
Chaos! Chaos!
Next team.
Alright, eto naman, hindi magpapatalo si Maricel, Edelito, and Ivy Team Daredevil.
Daredevil, Daredevil.
Parang may dalawang deer at may isang devil.
Dear Devil.
Oo, Dear Devil.
Okay, last but not the least. Eto na sina Yolanda, Christopher, and Mario Team Super.
We are team super,
Alright.
we will bring it down, 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 down.
Yun. Ano nangyari sa kabit nun? Down!
Let's play.
Alright! Ayos, ibang klase ang energy natin ngayon umaga. Teams, good luck sa inyo. Tapit ang mga kamay natin ganito. And let's play.
Ito ang gusto ko.
Alright. First quiz natin ngayon ay isang
Phrase quiz. Category is favorite movie snack food. Hit it. Body mix.
Popcorn with extra melted butter.
Is correct. Next quiz ay isang audio quiz.
category is favorite Ray Valera song.
Hit it.
Cup.
Daredevil.
Tayong dalawa.
Is correct. Let's hear it.
Sana'y patawarin mo ako pagkat...
Na ginawa ni Tito Gary for tayong dalawa, ni Kim at Gerald. Mabuhay ka, Tito Gary. Okay. Next quiz will be a picture quiz. Category is favorite Pinoy tourist attraction. Hit it.
Chaos.
Hills.
Chaos.
Chocolate Hills.
Is correct. Next quiz ay isang audio quiz. Category is favorite foreign music band.
Hit it.
Team Chaos.
Michael Learns to Rock.
Is correct. Let's hear it. Kantang The Actor 1991. Chaos, you have 2 points. You are moving on. Good job. Next quiz natin ay isang phrase quiz. Ito naman. Ito naman. Ang category natin ay Favorite Pro-Environment Campaign. Hit it!
Superb.
Piso para sa Pasig.
Piso para sa Pasig is correct. Next quiz natin ay isang picture quiz. Category is favorite video game console.
Hit it!
Versa
Xbox.
is correct.
Next quiz, para malaman kung sino papasok, ay isang
Scramble.
category natin, Favorite Romantic Expression. Hit it!
Body mix.
Absence makes the heart grow fonder.
Correct.
Body mix, you have 2 points. You are moving on.
Next quiz natin ay isang phrase quiz. Category is favorite comedy love team.
Hit it!
Daredevil.
Maricel Soriano and William Martinez.
Is correct! Daredevil, you are moving on.
Ang galing-galing. Team Versa, maraming salamat sa inyo. Superb. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Kumpleto na ang tatlong teams na makakasama natin for the next round.
Ang ating hot na hot round ay susunod na yan sa pagbabalik ng Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko.